First, the headlines. 3 personnel of Rapid Action Force found involved in torching shops. SCOAN performs Bishwa Shanti Yagya to bring peace in Manipur. And curfew relaxed for Imphal West and is till 2 p.m. Bishnupur 12 noon. Hello, welcome to ELITETV, your English news bulletin. I'm your host, Deemita. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks on in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. In an unfortunate student, 3 personnel of Rapid Action Force RAF found involved in torching shops at Dimdailung village in Imphal last night. Dimdailung village is inhabited by Kabui community. According to a reliable source, the shops owned by Kabui community were burned to ashes by the 3 personnel around 9:30 p.m. last night. The 3 personnel who were involved in the crime have been identified as Somdev Arya, Kuldeep Singh and Pradeep Kumar Singh. The incident came to know after witnessing CCTV footage where CCTV cameras installed near the shops. Those 3 personnel who were involved in the crime have been reportedly suspended.
Incident yam nuaitaba incident amani aduga hoi wangkai kendra city jati kudimangna taba dugumba yam sensitive oiba jaga amani adu ngarang incident se kamai toge ganda nungdangi pung mapan makai taba swaida thoke incident di adubu yam layuk phabasi police na akoi leiriba state forcing na matam chana intervention torokpa adu lekai gi leiriba akoi gi committee na fazana support tobiba fazana information pibiba CCTV footage la yoba siguma factors mayam sina police na thabak tobudu su yam akogi pangal leina tobu ngamba haitare adu torokanda koi mioi hum phare adu yam laibak thibidi phariba mioi hum asi hauji hauji akoi bungakpi senbini laiba rapid action force ki mioi oiram basida koi nuaijadaba karigino haikanda de koi na moi thajajaraga moina koi bungakpi gani khalakanda praja singda yam nuaitaba madi phawi adubu akoi na convince tawjari madu de koi na ina appeal tawjari masi rapid action force la laiba mioi kudimak suwaina tawni habisu hoi loroisi adu tawriba khaladudi sungsu soiduna moina tawram dugi matungina akoi cherak pigani ngasi maksu hairiba mioi sing asi agi mangda laiba order copy sini moi suspend tawre adu hena further inquiry tawrakanda kari ahenba moi matakta akoi punishment piba yage do yengjage adu agi site gi su honorable CM da hairiba tawdok mari leina fazana pawdam pirakanda akoi ahenba action lawnaba adu chapchaba action do lawnaba legally akoi honorable CM da haijage nai.
International Society for Krishna Consciousness ISKCON Imphal today performed Harinam Vishwa Shanti Yagya at the complex of a society in the morning to bring peace and tranquility in the state. Yagya was attended by bhaktas and many devotees of the ISKCON. Speaking to media persons, Ekanath Das said that the main objective of organizing the Yagya is to bring about peace and normalcy in the state. At this juncture, most of the people in the state are in unrest. Vishwa Shanti Yagya performed today will definitely bring peace in the state, he added.
Lairiba Jagasidida Loina Maxi Ishor Amakatagi Machani Habasi Masi understanding si Laiba Habasi Amna Darkar Oi. I quite a sing Habata Kudamina, Aquina Manipuri Masasina, Laijari Vasiliba, Magi E, Adudagidi, Kuki. Massaging the Saliva E, as the Muslim massaging the Saliva E, Naga, Kambusing the Saliva E, Igi Masusi Samane, Masina Tayamadudi, Akoi Ipam, Kakti Masani, have a seat, the Sang Ule, Maramaduna, understanding Soyabadagi, Kanasanaba, Nunganada, Imu Masama, the Sodom Unkana was a Toivani, Maramaduna, Hazana Kandaviraga, Masigi Matanga Sidaida, Tadona, Makatana, Satadana, Unsida, Santilena, Ignatana. Unsigi Hingbagi Mahawasi, Selanabagi the Mata, Nasi Quina, Vishwas Hantigi the Maka, Asoba Zaigamas Pantosari, Loina Tongan Tongan Pamda, Ladiba, Awaba Taraba, Lagidaba, Azadagidi, Hosuzika, Tongan Tonganba, shelter load and Lady Pona Moxigi, Awaba Yazari.
When it's in August, the Sukan, but Topan and Legasu, where Amana Sweba, Amagia, what Paddy Amagia, Swebadu, now Peter Gapazik, Suyamba Quigi. Shanti and Lemina, my Amponos, and Mother is my Naki, Tolopos Yam, like Tivanisi, my Ampono, Wakan Padaviraga, question on Hagdani, I'm going to show some people sit there, we have a Canbiraga, whenever in Taraga, Mother Shanti and Lemina Naba, Mazakona Biba, Lorana, Bavan, the Asik Jacob, Bavan, Pimbiragadi, when it's Saturday, Tenamaton die. Just meant to stage a good to stump. Puman Pimber Puno Pele, Swantona, Bavan and Pimbibagi Hawaii Kripadagi, my Amponoki Shanti, obviously, Porokbangam, Namdana. Hanagi Matogum and Shichana, they mean was people shouldn't have get them when I
Flight operations at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport were affected on Saturday due to heavy rains, thunderstorm and adverse weather conditions. The airport authorities advised passengers to stay in touch with their respective airlines for the latest updates on flight information. The India Meteorological Department has predicted rain in Delhi and adjoining areas on Saturday morning. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi completed 9 years in office, the Congress said that the 9 years of Modi government have been a saga of betrayal, continuous distractions and marketing gimmicks. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge said, in the last 9 years, the Modi government has become a Vishwa Guru in snatching away the employment of crores of youths. U.S. Ambassador to India Adrik Garsati inaugurated the U.S. consulate in Hyderabad on Friday during a gala celebrations on the 247th anniversary of American independence. The United States values this city, Garsati said. We opened this $340 million facility because Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha are waiting one of the most important chapters of the U.S.-India strategic partnership, he added. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Babina Diagnostics Manipurda ihan hanba oina ingsok lisingamaga chamapal marifuhumdoida linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharata yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigations su mai pakna pangthokli. Wana honajaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's English News. China is bracing for a new wave of COVID infections that could see as many as 65 million cases per week by the time the surge peaks at the end of June. It's a startling predictions in a country where the pandemic originated in the late 2019 that only months ago had enforced some of the harshest COVID control protocols on the planet. Now, with the latest Omicron variant XBB fueling a resurgence in cases, the response from China's government and the public is muted at best. The surge comes about 6 months after the country dismantled its shrimping infrastructure for dealing with COVID, including harsh lockdowns, mass testing, stifling quarantines, and strict mask requirements. The new wave's data was revealed by respiratory disease specialist Zhong Nasant at a medical conference this week in southern city of Guangzhou. According to state media, he told the audience that the wave that started in late April was anticipated and that this modeling suggested China could be approaching 40 million infections per week. By the end of June, he said the weekly number of infections will peak at 65 million. The United States, by comparison, was reporting more than 5 million cases a week at its peak last January. Though China's current wave will not equal the tsunami of cases it experienced in December and January, older people and those with underlying diseases are still relatively under-vaccinated and are at a high risk for developing severe disease, said Jin Dongyan, a virologist of University of Hong Kong. Nagaland Chief Minister Naifui Rio held a consultative meeting with non-Naga communities of Dimapur on May 25 and deliberated on the issue of implementations of Inner Line Permit ILP in Dimapur. According to sources, the meeting was held at Naitu Resort and attended by Deputy Chief Ministers T.R. Jeliang and Y. Paton and Advisor School Education and SCRT Kekri Yomi. The non-Naga community included Jain Samaj, Oswal Samaj, Maheshwari Samaj, Brahmin Samaj, Agarwal Samaj, Bengali Samaj, Bhojpuri Samaj, Muslim Council, Sikh Samaj, Hindu Seva Samiti, Dimapur Gokra and Hindu community Chumaukhedima. Highlighting their concern regarding implementations of ILP, the representatives of the non-Naga communities appealed for exemptions of ILP in Dimapur. They pointed out that though most of them had settled in Nagaland before and after statehood, many would have issues to prove their claims due to non-availability of proper documents. In this regard, the members suggested to the government to put in place a different mechanism to keep check on illegal immigrants instead of ILP. They further pointed out that implementing ILP in Dimapur would not only affect the businessmen but also tourists or travelers and as a result adversely impact the economy. After patiently hearing the views shared by the representatives of the non-Naga communities, sources privy to the meeting said that the Chief Minister Naifui Rio had reportedly informed them that the ILP would be implemented over entire Nagaland, including the Dimapur, which was brought under the tribal belt in 1979. The ILP was not implemented in Dimapur due to various reasons. The state government in 2019 extended ILP to Dimapur following pressure from various civil society groups in view of the rising cases of illegal immigrants in Nagaland. 56th death anniversary of late Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was held at Congress Bhavan today. CLP leader Okrami Bopi and many party workers attended observance. Floral tributes were paid to the photograph of late Jawaharlal Nehru. Speaking to media persons, Okrami Bopi mentioned about the life and work of the late Prime Minister and expressed about the present situation of Manipur.
Khangvirabani Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru aisi kanano haibse samna hairabada Bharat achi British ki loilam sasan ki makhada matam sangna leiruraba matungda ningkha tamba Bharat ama oinanaba hotnabada mapunsi kathora aba haibatare adugumba freedom fighters ingi manungda se kitang panjarabada haibatai Mahatma Gandhi ji aduga Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Maulana Abul Kalam Azad na chingma kitang ai panjabai wani masing lakngamdraba freedom fighter kayama akoina khanghaudraba ningsing haudraba haibatare loina di panba akoina ngamjaroi toba adugumba freedom fighter singdugi manungda Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru asisu amani haibna koi keno tawjari aduna mahangna prime minister warakanda akoi gi party gi mini na koina haijebagi wanataba prithvi da leiba mipum khudimuna Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru se mana prime minister warakpada India si modern architecture of India haidana prithvi punamagna haina gibani magi policy program mayam ama non alliance ki kari mayam judi loina panjaba ngamaroi aduna sigumba laikhidraba freedom fighter adu India gi ihan hanba prime minister si ma laikhidabagi yankhai ma palak suba mapok numichilida koi leijeriba congress ki leader kharana magi mafamda tawiman khangba uchaba aduga hai manam ta lei manam torsu Florent tribute haibatare Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru gi mafamda akoi kachebani sada.
For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to the ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. 3 personnel of Rapid Action Force found involved in torching shops. SCON performs Vishwa Shanti Yagya to bring peace in Manipur. And curfew relaxed for Imphal West and East till 2 p.m, Bishnupur 12 noon. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.